How to check reward points on TikTok. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily check your reward points on TikTok. So first thing first, just head over to your TikTok application and make sure you are currently logged into your account. And from over here, just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and simply click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner. And right under this TikTok Studio, you can see there is a balance option. So for you to be able to view this option, you should have your TikTok account as a professional, not a personal account. So then only you should get this option and just tap on this balance option. Now to view the live rewards or rewards points, you can just tap on this balance option over here. And from over here, just tap on this live rewards option and you can easily see all of the rewards you have gotten from the live, and you can basically withdraw it from your here if you have set up payout options such as using PayPal or any other credit card or debit card. And you can also explore more rewards if you want for future opportunities from over here. And you can also check out your live rewards. So to get a live rewards, you actually need to be able to stream your videos live. So that's the only way you can see it. So that was it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.